What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about something that's very, very popular when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. Why do I sound so stuffy? It is cold. It's like negative 20 degrees outside. But anyway, when it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of people, they jump in and they're like, cool, I'm doing affiliate marketing. Where do I promote this stuff? Right? That's like the first thing, people think about, like, where am I going to promote this stuff at? And every time you buy a course, every course has their own platform that they tell you to get on. Some courses talk about Twitter, Instagram, blah, blah, blah. But what is the best one? The answer to this question is, it really depends on what you're promoting. Because in my opinion, damn, I sound nasally, but certain niches do better on certain social media platforms. All right, so you might have a product that sells better if you promoted it on Facebook rather than if you promoted it on Twitter or Instagram or whatever, right? So the first thing you need to do when you realize whatever you're promoting, whatever your affiliate product is, you need to ask yourself, where are my potential buyers hanging out at, right? Where are they most likely, gonna be at, so I can put this offer in front of them? It may be Facebook, it may be Instagram, you know what I mean? But it really, you gotta kind of just do a little research, because it honestly, I think you can make money pretty much on all of the platforms, but I do believe, depending on what you're promoting, certain platforms might be better. You might make more money, whatever, or be received better. Me personally, I feel, I'm a big YouTube person, obviously, and I think if I had to, if somebody, had a gun to my head and told me just to pick one, you could only use one, I would say YouTube, just because if you really think about it, most people visit YouTube, most people search YouTube for stuff, right? And here's the kicker, even if they're not initially searching on YouTube, for stuff, they might Google it, right? And who owns YouTube? Google, right? So there's a chance that even if a person does a search on, whatever maybe your product is, whatever you're promoting, a YouTube video might come up. It's a very good possibility a YouTube video may come up, and then that same person who normally don't even be on YouTube may end up on YouTube from doing a Google search. So keep that in mind. That's why I always tell people who are just getting started with marketing, get on YouTube. I know YouTube can be very fickle at times, but I just think it's a good platform to promote, because you don't have to base everything off of just becoming approved for monetization. Did I say that right? You don't have to base it off of that. There's other ways, to make money from, advertising on YouTube. Get a channel and promote your affiliate products, or, or whatever. So that's my take on it when it comes to social media platforms. There's so many of them. First, I would say research, your market, whatever you're promoting. And secondly, you got to feel comfortable using that social media platform, right? If you're a good learner and you feel like you just want to learn, then really learn Instagram, learn YouTube, learn Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever. Side note, you might be watching this and be like, wait a minute, YouTube's not a social media platform, it's a video. It's, in my opinion, it's a social media platform because people are interacting. And when people talk about marketing, especially online marketing, they talk about YouTube just as much as they talk about Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All right. So, guys, hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share this content if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.